for today, I'm jumping right into the video. Now, no long talking. So for today, the product I will be using is the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. This is by the Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. This is by Shea Moisture. I'll also be using my oil mixture that you guys would have seen before. I'm also using some Eco Styler gel. I'm using a little bit of the black seed and castor oil that's already had. And when that's finished, I'm going to follow up with my big tub of olive oil. My hair already has my leave-in conditioner which is my Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk. I'm trying to get it to, I don't know what's going on, why it's not trying to work with me. YouTube hand, no? Okay. Alright, so I'm using that. Of course, you're going to need a wide tooth comb, and you're also going to need something to part with. My parts aren't perfect, but so I use a tail comb to part with. I also use my tangle teaser. It's not the cleanest right now, to detangle my hair, and I think that's it. So my hair is already washed and moisturized with my leave-in conditioner. I sectioned it off into two by going straight across. So I have half up here, I have half down here. The half that's down here, I sectioned it into half. So I'm going to turn around so you guys can see. So this half, I sectioned it coming down. So I have this half and I have this half. As you can see, I already got emotion working on this half, and they're looking pretty good, if I do say so myself. Looking pretty good. Very juicy. Nice. Yeah, they're looking pretty good. Okay, hopefully I got some good thumbnail pictures. Alright, so I already mentioned that I got in motion, so I'm just going to continue with this section so you guys can see the hair. I have a mirror here, so I'm looking here in the mirror, so this is the perfect side. You probably won't get another side like this until I'm on the top of this side. So yeah, my hair is a little damp from washing, so I'm fine with that. So what I do now, this huge section, I put some of the Curl Enhancing Smoothie, about this much. Let's see. Put some more on my ends. End below a little dry. Some more on my ends. Alright, now that I have the Curl Enhancing Smoothie over my entire head, I'm gonna split this. Split it like so. And then I'm just going to chop these pieces up to twist them. By that I mean this. Alright, let me get some of my gel. So I follow up with my gel. You can see it's finishing. I'm just gonna finish this and then move on to my other gel. Oh, look at that definition, guys. Ooh, you seen that definition? Ooh, child. Use my tangle teaser, starting at my ends. I'm gonna work my way up into the entirety of my head. Alright. Last step is to add my oil. separate, so I'm gonna do it section by section based on the size. Put this away, and I'm gonna just twist it. It's kind of me rope twisting it. I'll come up close so you guys can see. So 2 sections, 2 even sections as much as I can. I do one over the other. I kind of slightly use my hand and twist like this before. So twist, 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 twist. When I'm some way down, I use my tangle teaser just to ensure that I don't have any tangles. And then I continue twist, twist, one over the other, twisting the other one under, twisting, twisting, twisting. Let me do it a little bit faster. Further down, use the tangle teaser. Further down, I'm actually going to use my small teeth comb now. Small teeth comb again. Once again. Once again. And when I'm at the end of my hair, what I do is I twirl it around my fingers. And yeah, it's going to look a little bit long and wonky, but then it's eventually going to get like these. So with time, it just goes up. Oh my god, I'm sweating. I'm so hot, guys, but I hope you guys are getting the gist of what I'm doing. I'm gonna do a couple more on this side so you can see. Okay, so before I even get started, I use my tangle teaser to ensure that my hair is detangled. Let's go again. Twist, 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 twist. Pull down, ensure it's detangled. Twist. Yeah. So I guess I'm rope twisting my hair. That's the only way I twist my hair, really. You know, I don't do it any other way. And then getting close to the end, I use a smaller tooth comb just to ensure that there's no tangles in my hair, because it's not gonna look, oh, that's great. Once again, when I'm at the end, curl. It's wonky, but you see it coming back up by itself. Yeah. So that's how I did all of this. And I cannot be here all day showing you guys how I'm doing this, because yeah, so I'm gonna do some more of my head, and when I'm at like probably a patch or something, I'm going to come back to you guys, because it's pretty much the same thing. Twisting your hair, ensuring that you're twisting and curling the ends after putting on your product. Oh my god, my hair looks so shiny. So I'm going to do the rest of my head. I'm gonna watch a movie and I'll come right back when I'm at like a patch. I'll probably leave this side for last, since this is my better side to video with. But when I'm at that part, I will come back. So see you guys soon. So come back.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane, isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, breathe slow.